everybody, and I'm here with the second installment in the Lightning Falls series. The red book is today. Let's read it. What did 5-year-old Eli have to hold? Look how horrible I was at drawing hands. That was literally my hand. I don't know what those are. As you can see, Journal 2, and that's the present falls. I actually didn't have to cross it out there. Myself, I was fixing my garage door, which is filled with grease. I live here. Lightning Falls, Goldville. Goldville. It's not a country if you know that. Golden Nicholas. Does that remind you of anything? Golden Nicholas. Maybe someone named Bill Cipher. I don't know if it reminds you of anything. Is that of the Zodiac or anything, or the last Mabelcorn? Golden Nicholas, or that thing right there, or it says he is even deadlier than unicorns. He was found in that cave painting. Oh no, I didn't. Just Gary. I wasn't even copying from Gravity Falls on this. This was literally just SpongeBob. Trash monsters. Harmless, but I spelled scary wrong. Two book things. Both harmless, found in my house. It's a walking book and a flying book. Oh my god, that flying book looks so cursed. Government of Lightning Falls. Every one of them are silly. Nathaniel Bax was the first president of the city. First president. You can see that. Bax. Nathan Cheesehead. Too silly, so that guy took over. He wore 2 outfits. Nathan. Does that look like someone, maybe like Quentin Tremblay or something? Does that look like something? They look fat. Fall Circus. It says, Fall Circus, founded in 1865 by Geronimo Taylor, still operating. Weird show, but a good show. I ripped off another. This time it's a product. Look. Pet Rock. Pet Rock. Pet Rock. Pet stinking rock. Rocks. They have eyes in the falls. But they are still awesome. And that's Lightning Falls Journal 2. And that's it.